Hello. I'm just going to share live and I'll be right with you. Hello po sa unang viewer. I don't know sino po yung unang viewer, but I'd like to welcome you po sa live natin. Okay, so it's really a good time for those lovely bells in East Coast, okay, and Midwest, so they would have chance to really see us, right? Broadcasting from California, USA. I'll be right with you in a couple of minutes because I'm going to share our live. Sandali lang po ako, okay? And meanwhile, you can definitely see that we will be doing, I think medyo malakas na po ako. I'll be doing clothes. Ang dami pong mga damit na bago. Ang gaganda po. The pink one is our new collection, our Filipiniana collection. Ang ganda-ganda po niyan. Okay, so I'm going to actually focus more on accessories and jewelries. But if you need anything else on top of other things like jewelry, you want belts or bags or scarves, let me know, okay? Sandali lang po ha. Hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nasa akin ngayon. Hindi, minsan kasi po nakikita ko yung is watching. Sometimes I can't see it, okay? So anyway, salamat po at nandito kayo, okay? I will just be sharing real quick po ha. And then we'll roll on, okay? I want to actually complete everything. Okay, so para mabilis because we only have 2 hours today, okay? This time, this slot will be to just 2 hours, okay? I will not be going beyond the time. So, hello everyone. Let me know if you could hear me. Ladies. Hi Nikki. Thank you. Oo, Nikki. Bawal na sa tita magpagabi. Okay? So, it's better this time. Really short and quick. Hindi ko po I don't know what happened, but I'm going back. Hello to. Thank you so much, Nikki, for confirming. Kumusta na kayo lahat dyan? Kumusta na Australia kayo lahat? Hello 3. I'm just right here. I'm going to actually just share our live. Real quick po ha. Very quick live we have right now. So, pag na-late po kayo, it's okay. You can actually watch the replay. Alright? Okay, for those new viewers or our future minors, if you will be, hi, thank you, Nikki, for the share. Please read our store policy, okay? Our live selling policy, our house rules, okay? Marami pong hindi nakakaalam. Lagi ko pong binabanggit ito, lagi, okay? Cancellation should be made during live only, not after live, because we only have few items. Kapag minay nyo and then you will not continue, kawawa po yung gustong bumili. And I think sometimes they would not return to us. Okay, so ang gagawin po natin is cancel during live. Okay, especially when I already invoiced your items and then you cancel right away, you are going to be banned from my page. Okay, with pero kung may naman, ako naman is open ako. Okay, open ako sa explanation kung bakit. But, sa dami na pong nangyayari ngayon, I don't have time for that. Okay, I don't have time. I value your time. Please value mine too. Okay, please value mine. Let's be respectful with each other's time. Now, if you're in my live and you just wanted to play around, please look for something else that you need to do, not on my live, okay, people? I know that I have a lot of good bells there. They supported me, but marami pa rin pong naliligaw, okay? But anyway, that's part of my life. I don't want to pressure myself or stress myself with that. With kind of garbages, okay? I just want to focus on my bells who actually supported me all throughout the years. And I really thank you for that. Now, bakit iba ang time natin? Hi, Tony! I can see you. Okay, thank you, Tony. Okay, I can see you, and because it's not only me, a lot of sellers are experiencing the same thing. You don't know what's behind every smile or every effort that we put in every live. You don't have any idea. Okay, so but for those who really understand and has compassionate heart towards live sellers, I do appreciate you guys, because you know, having a compassionate and kind heart towards others would mean everything. God knows what you're doing. We don't need to be your witness. The only one who can see what is in the heart and in the mind is our God the Father. Okay? So I just wanted to just give you just a little house rules on that one. Baka nakalimutan po ng iba. Okay? So, and also, if you will share our live, do not screenshot na po. I don't want to waste your time. Now I have a report that I could see how many shares did you make. So I'm going to actually get another winner for this week. I'm so excited. Last week was Tony Salvatin who got the Tiffany bangle. She won that one. And I would like to say hi, Tony, and congratulations. Okay, let's go. I will not be doing standing kasi medyo pa po, hirap pa po yung after several emergent ER, medyo po ako nanghihina pa, hindi pa kaya tumayo ng medyo matagal. So I'm going to do more on jewelries right now, especially those on sale, Black Friday. Let's go. Huwag na nating sayangin ng panahon. I'm going to actually, wait, hindi ko pa pala nasi-share sa group ito. True, madaming ganap behind the scenes, pero because of love, that's true, Nikki, diba, baby, Nikki babes? Okay, all right. And yeah, okay, so let's just move forward. I could see we have 7 right now. Thank you so much for your time. This is a new slot for us. Yes, naku, Tito Malu, alam mo, Ate Malu, I really appreciate you. Si Ate Malu po, actually, yan po, napaka low, masasabi kong, no, she supports me. 3 hours ang difference po namin, advanced sila. So, if today is 2:26, 5:26 na po kay Ate Malu. That's why I wanted to just do 2 time slots. Very short live para makapture ko rin ang ating East Coast and Midwest areas. Okay? Hi, Aji. Aji, I had a great time with Au, so I think she will be the one to let you know what happened. And she's actually asking for more brands. So actually, I will be talking to my supplier. It's a new supplier because nagkakahirapan na po, especially for branded items. So, yes. And who else is here? I have 8. Okay, so let me know. Give me a comment which brand you want to see, especially for jewelries. Okay, we have VCAs, and I'm actually expecting a new arrival, but I don't know what's in the box because yung supplier ko po napakabait. Tinulungan po niya ako in order for me to get the item safely. Okay, so I don't know what's in the box. Ginawan po niya ng paraan because because of the so many experiences I had in the past. So, salamat po talaga dun sa batang ito. Napakabuti po ng supplier na ito. So, inaabangan ko po, FedEx has given me a notice that I will be getting that small package tomorrow. Okay? Shout out to, sino isa shout out nating magaganda dyan? Shout, ate, I like your choker necklace. Oh my goodness, this one is not a choker. Yes, this is a choker necklace. This is BBL. This is actually the one that's selling for $99. This is the premium one. I'm not so sure if you still have this. Marami akong tinatago dyan ng mga, alam mo, binibenta po ito $299 in other stores. But I'm only selling this one for $75. I'm not so sure if I still have this. Hi, Ate Beth! Hello, Ate Beth! Kumusta na? Nasaan ba si Ate Beth ngayon? So, Ate Beth kasi lagi ka kasing nagta-travel. Hindi ko na tuloy malaman kung nasa Pilipinas ka ba o nasa Australia ka ngayon. Okay? Okay, I figured, sabi ni Aji. I know, Aji. Hi, as share done. Alvin, thank you for the share. Okay. All right. But Alvin, I just wanted to let you know that the because you're from the Philippines, our sharer must be also a customer. So we only give prices to our customers, our bells who share at the same time. Okay? All right. Thank you po, Ate Malu. Ang daming nagsishare. Okay? I'm just looking at this real quick. Okay, now let's go. Maybe you could help me share na lang to groups. I will not be sharing because I only have, look, the time is running and I wanted you to get see all the things that we have right here. Okay? Okay. Medyo konti lang po ang ating mga viewers pag this time. Pero po, yung mga viewers natin, kahit konti po yan, grabe po. Did you know that for the past sa live selling, nag-ano po tayo, sandali lang po ha. Sandali lang po mga dears, nagkakaroon po ng problema ang aking ano. Nagkaroon po tayo ng sobrang gandang turnout po, kahit konti yan. It's not about the number of viewers. I don't believe on that one. It's all about the quality of our customers, if they wanted to do to get such things or not. So shout out to MacDon. Is MacDon there? Donna, I know you're in the office, but I'll be back at 5 from 5 to 7. Okay, so you don't worry. Ladies, I have several batches of invoices. Yesterday, I already invoiced and sent out to all our new miners. We have new miners po, grabe. And then ang dami po nilang in order, okay? Both online and off-site. So marami po tayong new miners na off-site, okay? Offline. And your viewers are faithful viewers. True ka dyan, Ate Malu. True po kayo talaga, okay? And I'm here. I left work early. Donna, you're super cute. Donna, okay, baka hindi mo to nakita. Ito yung mga BVL natin na waterproof PVD. Okay? Mamaya ipapakita ko pa kasi ang daming nag-request. Please ipakita. Ang sabi ko kasi I don't wanna pakita anymore. I will just focus on the new things. But I'll do that. Okay? So let's go. Okay? Let's go now. Too much of a lot of storytelling happening. I know. And then this morning, meron din po akong in-invoice. Okay, ang dami pong invoices coming out. Yung mga hindi pa nakaka-receive, Tony, alam ko, hindi mo pa na-receive sa iyo. Ate Malu, hindi mo pa na-receive. Ang dami pa po. Mamaya po gagawin ko. Okay? Ang dami po tayong miners. Okay? Thank you so much, Lord. And also to my beautiful bells out there for, for being such a good supporter. Okay? Thank you so very much. Shout out to everyone. You know who you are, okay? Halika na po, mag-umpisa na tayo. I'm so excited talaga for these items. Kararating lang po nito sabay nung kahapon. Kahapon kasi may mga nilabas na ako. Tony, pasensya ka na kung wala ka na kahapon. Kung meron ka pang gusto dun, Tony, let me know. Baka meron pa ako. Okay? Ladies, this is the dragon. Okay, the dragon. This is PVD, waterproof, 18K plated. Mga kaibigan, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng aming factory nito. Okay, so I have, straight po ako sa factory, kaya mababa po tayo, ha? Wala pong middleman. Factory mismo, okay? So that one, this one is konti na lang yata yung natitira dito. Okay? Konti na lang yata ang natitira dyan sa magandang yan. Hold on lang po, ha? Ang dami po niyan kahapon. I think I have 15 pieces, the other, ano. But now, tatlo na lang po yata. I'm so sorry po. Ang dami po talagang bumili. Offline and during live. Okay? Alam nyo, that's actually a hard steel that they use in this. It's not stainless steel. They use titanium steel. And it's PVD, waterproof, 18K plated. Ladies, I'm only selling this one for, hold on po ha, for $8. Ay, teka, sandali lang po ha, sandali lang po. Sandali lang mga dears ha. Sandali lang po ha. Meron lang ako nire-retrieve lang po. Bear with me. Okay. So, this one, pasensya na po ha, may retrieve lang po akong items kasi tinatanong. I didn't get the notification again. Oh, I'm so sorry, Tony. Okay, claim dragon daw siya. Okay, let me check the dragon. Ano ha? Okay, I only have, I think, 2 dragons left. If anyone wants, this is $8 only. Mine, 28. This is dragon embracing the pillar. Ganda po niya. I'm not using any filter, kaya kitang-kita po ninyo yung real gold halos, okay? This is close to real gold. Alright, mine 28 for this. Okay, mine 28 for only $8. Please use the code, ladies. Okay, I need you to use the code to help me with invoicing, okay? Please use the code so you can help me for invoicing, okay? Because we're using codes right now. A lot of items. Okay. Oh, Tony, you're claiming one. Okay, this one is yours, my dear. Hold on. I'll get you. I'll prepare one for you. Okay, kasi 30 minutes na tayo pas nag-start, no? I'm gonna extend 2 to 4:30, okay? I don't know if I can stand because I still have another 5 o'clock. Okay, baka hindi na ako mag-extend, okay? So, pasensya na kayo, alright? Okay, 28 for you, Tony, for $8. Okay, Tony, can we have a screenshot of your item? 123 321 123. By the way, ladies, we already shipped last night. Nag-ship din ulit kami this morning, okay? Baka mamayang hapon mag-ship ulit kami, okay? So, marami pong ganap dito sa atin ngayon, okay? Pero hinay-hinay lang po si Tendera. Okay, hindi pwedeng sobrang overwork, okay? Thank you, Tony. Next. All right. Okay, claim 28. Wala na, no? Alright. Next po tayo. This is one of the gorgeous trending right now. Okay, so every time that you will receive a jewelry from us, pakita ko lang, you're going to have this label. So for you to understand that the one that you're buying from us are PVD waterproof 18K. Some are only stainless steel. So if it doesn't have a tag like this, automatically those are stainless steel. Okay, ladies, gorgeous piece I have here. This is the cherry. Remember, sobrang uso na ang cherry. May bag charm, meron na siyang necklace, may earrings pa siya. Okay? For the cherries, okay. Hindi ko kayo, this one I still have, ilang pieces ba meron ako nito, okay? But you know, you could just mine and mine. Nakalagay kasi dito 5 pieces, kaya lang marami nang bumili kahapon. Kaya sorry lang po ha. Hindi ko na-update yung inventory. But I could definitely just get that one real quick for you. Okay? Dali lang po ha. Okay. I think I'm here right now. My inventory box right now. So I still have for the dragon, ladies and gentlemen, I still have 2 pieces. Ate, merong earring siyang cherry. Bibili pa lang ako, Tony, kasi the last time that I asked them, ginagawa pa lang, minamanufacture pa lang ng factory. So don't worry, maglalagay sila ng cherry, okay? So I have actually cherries in silver. Look at that. The cherry in silver. I'll show it to you. This one is super gorgeous. Konti lang ang cherry silver ko. Okay? Ayan, ang cherry silver. Ladies, for only $8. For only $8, I'm going to put a code for this one. Okay? Code for this one. Binabago ko ang code. So okay, for this cherry, mine is 003. Mine is 003 for this cherry for only $8. $8 for this. Okay, next. Another one. Another thing. Pwede ko naman siyang gawin, pero later na. Okay, later na. Okay. Alright. The next cherry, oh golly wow, this one is so beautiful. This one is so beautiful. Ladies, you're buying a high quality jewelry from me, okay? It's as good like, it's like an almost real gold, okay? But it's not, but the thing here, they are waterproof, 18K plated and PVD. You can wear this every day. You can sweat on it. You can do shower. You can swim in the ocean. However, too much overuse and overuse of a lot of chemicals, syempre, hindi gaganda, okay? So, ito po, ang PVD natin would last from 5 to 10 years. That's what my supplier said, okay? Tingnan niyo po yung gold niya sa likod, okay? Napakaganda. Pantay na pantay. For this one, ladies, I only have 3, okay? If you want this, mine's 16 for this. Mine's 16 for this cherry, with green leaves. Mine's 16 for $8, okay? I'm not so sure kung bakit hindi ko pa nakikita itong cherry na to. Baka naubos na kahapon, okay? But anyway, not a problem because we still have really good items here. Another cherry without leaves. I like this. Very natural, okay? If you would ask me. At ang ganda, even magbaliktad siya, it's so gorgeous, okay? Ladies, this is also $8. And this one is selling for mine 054 for only $8. 054 for $8, okay? That is the code for this cutesy, okay? Next, for the strawberry, I will just be quick and fast. All right. Quick and fast. Kung kailan mag-quick and fast, doon nag-aano yung aking mga jewelries. Hindi nakikisama sa seller. Laging, kung kailan quick and fast, ay nako, hindi ka pwedeng mag-claim 054. Okay, I got you, 054. Thank you so much, Tony. Okay, so this one, if anyone wants to claim this, 016, the one with green leaves. Okay, Tony wants the 054. This is 054, the one that it has a cherry with red. Okay, that one is yours, Tony, for $8. Thank you, Tony. Pasensya ka na at hindi ka nakarating kahapon. Ako, Tony loves to support us every now and then kasi po, she shares a lot. Kaya nga siya naging top sharer natin. Naging top sharer natin. Kukuha po ako ng top sharer. Okay? Top sharer po ang kukunin ko for this Black Friday sale month. Okay? Tapos sa next month, iba na naman ang ating qualification. All right. So Tony, can we have a screenshot of the item? You mind? Look at her. She's a minor, and at the same time, she's a sharer. Okay. She was one of our she's one of our VIPs, okay? So ladies, pag nasa VIP circle na kayo, may requirement po 'yan, amount, total amount that you've already purchased from GFM US. Once you do not receive any VIP discount, that means tumatakbo pa po yung inyong ano. Okay, so yearly po ang ano niyan, yearly ang computation sa system namin. So thank you, Tony, for being our VIP. So happy for you, okay? Thank you. Next. Okay. Aha. All right. For this is strawberry. I love this one. Kumuha na ako sa sarili ko kasi napakaganda niya. Tingnan niyo po. Look at how they made it. Huwag niyo na lang tingnan yung aking kamay. Punong-puno ng dryness. Okay, tingnan nyo po. If you want this, also $8, mine $150. I think ito na lang ang natira. Okay, pero kung meron pa man, maswerte kung sino pong makakakuha nito. Kasi po, ang dami po talaga nakakuha. Okay, but I can definitely reorder. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, ladies, let's go to another item. Before we have Donna, kung nandyan ka, we have parating yung mga bracelet ko na PVD, okay? So, ngayon ang mga dumating na sinip sa akin ng supplier. Yes, Aji love sharing with the barkada daw. Oh, okay. Yes. Isa rin yan si Aji nagsishare. She shared with her friends and relatives. And isa po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Okay, so necklace po lahat muna ang binigay niya sa akin and some earrings. Ladies, this one is super gorgeous. Kapag sinuot niyo ito, ganyan siya. Alright, ganyan siya. I'm not so sure kung pwede yung, kasi tinitingnan ko, pwedeng buksan eh. And then you could actually insert your, medyo natitigasan lang ako. Ayokong, ayan po oh. Makikita nyo, meron siyang opening. Hindi ko pa po naisa sa husband ko kasi siya po yung magaling na mag-ano nito. So, but I think this is also a necklace where you can do, you can sabit your charms, okay? You can hang your charms. If you have charms, you're collecting charms, you can definitely put some charms here. This is a new arrival, ladies and gentlemen. PVD 18K plated. Okay, for this one, ladies, for this one, I'm giving a code for this one. Hold on, okay? Hold on lang po. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So for this one, we're going to code this mine 21. If anyone wants this one, the waterproof 18K plated paper clip with, you know, with a charm, hindi ko naman makuha to. Ayan, 21. Tony can figure that out. Sorry. I know, Tony is, ang galing din ni Tony mag-figure out. Okay, $8 lang mga kaibigan, mine 21, okay? Ladies, ang binibigay ko sa inyong $8 ngayon for the Black Friday is my introductory price. This is $12 wholesale price. $12 wholesale price. So my $12 will be coming back after October. So if it's going to be November, mga ito $12 na. So habang binibigay ko na mura, kunin niyo po. Claim 21 for Tony. Okay? Tony, this one is yours. Okay, so this one is for you, Tony, 21. si Tony nag-ano, hoy, bumili ka na. Si Tony talaga. Okay, Tony, pa-screenshot ako, my dear. Okay, thank you so much. Next. Ladies, yung mamaya, if anyone wants to see my pet collars, mga pet, mamaya ako po ilalabas sa second batch, okay? Next po, I still have, ladies, konti na lang natitira nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na lang po, okay? 5 na lang. Habang meron pa ako, you get it, okay? 5 na lang. Next item on the list. Okay. Did anyone already completed their collection? Kasi may dumating pong mga bago. Kararating lang po nitong mga, these are waterproof 18K plated po ha. They are gorgeous. Okay? Ang bilis po. Ang bilis na ubos. Ang dami kong binili po nito. Okay? So they are gorgeous because they're waterproof in the first place. So I have colors like burgundy. This is burgundy. Ayan po. Ganyan talaga ang totoong kulay niya. Burgundy, pink, green, yeah, pink and green, burgundy. Kukunti na lang natira. Tingnan nyo, ito na lang natitira. Naubos na si black, naubos na si white. Si burgundy, dalawa na lang. Okay? So if anyone wants this, this is our first ever waterproof 18K plated. Okay? Sandali lang po, ha? Let me know if anyone wants to mine this one. Mura lang po ito. Sandali lang po, ha? Napakamura po natin ang items that. Ito po ay $15. I'm giving this one as an introductory price, 50% off. $8 lang po, okay? $8. So kung isusuot niyo po ito, I'm just showing you how gorgeous it is. Hindi siya malaki. Look at that. It's so mini. Ang ganda. And what I love about this is the stone, okay? Ang ganda ng stone. Look at that. So if you're gonna wear it, they will say, wow, what are you wearing? This is really gorgeous. The diamond adds beauty on this simple clover, okay? All right. If anyone wants the burgundy, I only have two pairs left, okay? Mine 18. I only have 2 pairs. Pag naubusan kayo, I can definitely get one. Pero baka hindi na po sa price na $8 mga kaibigan ha. Hindi na po sa $8, okay? So, iisa-isahin ko ang mga code na available, okay? If you want the pink one, okay, mine 86 for only $8. If you want the green one, mine 20 for only $8, okay? So, those are the 3, 1, 2, 4, okay? Ay, ang ano pa lang ating, hold on po ha. Meron pa tayong apat na burgundy, okay, na natitira. And then, yes, burgundy, green, and pink na lang po ang natitira, okay? So, ladies, moving forward, next item. Hindi ko ito pinakita ang next item yesterday kasi this is bago, okay? This is bago. Grabe po. I introduced this one in 2022, okay? I introduced this one in year 2022. Maraming kumuha sa akin, but the item is only stainless steel, okay? But now, it's already PVD. They use also titanium steel for this one, okay? Ladies, this is the Inspired BVL barrel. It's super, super, super gorgeous. Marami pong nagtanong sa akin at naghanap nito. Okay, so I can't read what's printed there, okay? I think it's just a random because this is inspired, okay? So this one is waterproof 18K plated. Look at this darling, okay? Ladies, if you want this, I'm gonna show this one. Sis, I'm interested in a solid gold BCA na small. Wala pa ako noon. If you have, don't worry, Donna. Mukhang meron na akong na-order niyan. But I'm not so sure if that's the kind of size that you want, okay? But I have ordered already, okay? Hihintay ko na lang ang pagdating. Alright, now this one, if anyone wants this, I'm going to code this one. I only have 3 pieces of this. Remember, this was introduced in early 2022, okay? Early 2022 for this. Grabe po, ang dami pong naghanap sa akin, but I can no longer give them, okay? So if anyone wants this necklace, the one that I'm holding right now, this one, If anyone wants this, this is only $8. Ang ganda. Okay? This is only $8. If you want that, mine 27. Mine 27 for this. Mine 27. Okay, next. Alright. Next item. Now, Donna, because she wants mga small, I'm not so sure if Donna wants this one. This is super gorgeous. Konti lang ang meron ako nito. Sandali lang, ha? Ay, nako, Donna. Dalawa lang pala ito. So, kung sino man sa inyo ang may gusto nito, dalawa lang na minor ang pwedeng makamine. Okay? Mine 20. Hi! Naku, yung maganda kong kaibigan na si Sis Evelyn, nagpakita at nagparamdam. Kumusta ka na, kumusta ka na magandang babae? Kasamahan ko po yan sa PLDT. Pare-pareho kami mga CPA. Hey, Sis Evelyn, nasa office ka pa ba? O, nasa bahay ka na. Mine 27 daw, sabi niya. $8 lang ito, my dear. Okay? This is yours, Evelyn. Okay? This is yours, my dear. Lalo kang gaganda nito. Ano ba yarn? Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Evelyn. This one is 27. Lunch break. Sabi ko na nga ba nasa office pa? Okay. Thank you, Evelyn, for coming back and for joining us even in you're at work. Okay. So, Evelyn, this one is yours, my dear. Screenshot your item. This is code 27 for Miss Evelyn. This is the one that she mined. Okay, for $8. Okay? So, every time, meron kayong ganito. Alright? It will be tagged like this. Medyo na malapit na maubos yung mga tag ko. Yes, Sis Evelyn, hindi na ako pwedeng maggabi. Kasi, una-una, health reason. Pangalawa, yung mga ibang customers ko sa East Coast, hindi na makapanood sa akin kasi super gabi na daw ako. Okay, so ladies, I still have 2 more of this. 2 sets left. Okay, next. Next. Nako, magugustuhan nyo ito, pero kokonti lang. Ako, aga nga ng live ko. I hope you won't mind. No. Okay, so this one, grabe po. Oh my goodness gracious, tomato. Ay, ito po mga introductory prices kasi po chine-check ko muna ang quality. Once I love the quality and I love how they made it, kukuha na po ako ng bulk, okay? For this one, okay? Also for $8, ladies, ha? $8 ko. This one is selling for $15, okay? $15. But I'm giving it for $8 tonight, okay? This afternoon. If anyone wants, okay, I'll give you the code, okay? I want you to use the code so it will be easier for you and for me, okay? Easier for you and for me. Okay, so if anyone wants this, mine 22. Mine 22 for this double barrel, okay? It's actually with diamonds and the other one is plain. You can remove the other one. By the way, this is you can remove and just wear this one. Or you want this for formal gathering, use the diamond portion, okay? And then both, if you want both, walang problema, okay? So if you want this one, this baby, only for $8, mine 22. Mine 22 for this, also a waterproof and 18K plated, okay? Next. Alright. Walang earring yan, sis. Pero mahahanapan kita kasi zircon yan eh. Marami akong zircon pink na parating. Okay? Marami akong parating na zircon pink. Okay? Punta tayo sa mga maliliit na barrel. I'm not so sure if this is what you wanted, but this one is the mini barrel. Okay? Mini patuti. Okay? So if you're going to put it here, lagay natin dito itong iba para magamit natin. If anyone wants the BVL, this let me know. Ito po lahat ng nakikita nyo, are actually waterproof 18K, except for the pearls. Okay, except for the pearls. Okay, no, okay, this one. This is how it looks. Ayan. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, potato. This one is only selling also for $8. And if anyone wants this, I'm giving a code for this, baby. If you want that one, I'm going to code it. This one. Code 23 for this. Code 23 for this. Okay? Super gorgeous. Code 23 for this. Code 23. It's so minimalist that it's actually just super gorgeous, you know. Marami pong naghahanap ng minimalist. Tingnan niyo po kung kaano siya kaganda. Right? Okay. So this one is mine 23. Okay, next. Now, if you're looking for something that's not minimalist, I want it bigger. Give me bigger. Bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay, I can give you the bigger one. Okay, this is not bigger, but it has diamonds. It has diamonds, okay? So this one is super gorgeous. Just take a look at that one real quick. Look at that, baby. Look at how gorgeous that one is. It's super, super, super gorgeous. That one is, if you want that, I only have 2 left. Mine 24 for this. Mine 24 for only $8. It's waterproof, 18K plated, non-tarnished, hypoallergenic. It will last you from 5 to 10 years, okay? So this one is mine 24. I only have 2 left, okay? Next. Now, if I have a silver, I also have a gold. Okay? I also have a gold. Yeah, tama ka, Tony. It actually sparkles. Ang ganda talaga. The items, especially the chain, I am so impressed with the chain. Especially the chain of this one. Oh my goodness, the chain. Masarap sa ano ito. Kasi depende, I cannot choose the chain, okay? This one is mas maganda ang chain nito. Look at this. It's in pure gold, all right? In pure gold. Look at that, baby. I only have, sorry po, konti lang yan. Okay? Konti lang ang naibigay sa akin. Okay, that one, I only have 2. If anyone wants that specific design with a gorgeous chain, you can mine that one and mine it and use this code MINE25 for this. MINE25. MINE25 for this, baby. Okay? MINE25. I only have 2. Okay, ladies, I only have 2. I can no longer give you more. All right? This is my sample. Kaya introductory yan. Okay? So, what do you want to mine, Donna? Okay, Donna, please use a code, please. Okay, just say claim 25. This is only $8. I'm telling you, get it, get it. Okay, we have 2 miners. We have 2 miners. This one is yours, okay? Donna, okay, so Donna and my dear Tony, okay? This one is yours. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think Donna used the code already, 25. This is only for $8, Donna. Okay. This is 50%. The real deal, the real wholesale is $15. Okay, yes. Okay. 25 for $8 for Donna. Ayan, masiship ko na yung mga items mo, Don. And then the other one would be for Tony. Okay, ladies, ano po? Sold out po, ha? Sold out. This one is for Tony. $8. Tony, let's have a screenshot. Okay, sandali. Screenshot tayo, Tony. Ganda. Okay, Tony, this one is yours for $8. My goodness. And for you, Donna, I did not forget. This one is yours. This one is yours. Okay, ang ganda. Okay, thank you so much. Sabi ko, pabilisan eh. Okay, next. Another one. Ibang style ito. Ang dami kong kinuhang barrel because yan ang trending ngayon. Alright? Ladies, this is good. The one that I'm wearing right now, if you could see it. Okay, hold on po ha. Ay, ano ba yung ginawa natin? If you could see what I'm wearing right now, this is the BVL as well, okay? This is a BVL, kaya lang premium po ito, okay? This is a premium necklace. It's the same thing that what you're mining, okay? Kaya lang po iba ang kanyang design and style niya, alright? So, hold on. Ito. At itong suot ko, hindi siya waterproof. So, I would rather have you get the waterproof at a very good price. Okay? Alright, next. Ito, maraming kumuha nito, kaya ang nabigay lang sa akin. Oh, sabi daw nung supplier ko, nasa VIP na rin daw ako eh. Kaya, kunyari, nasa VIP, kunyari. Kaya ang bilis niya magbigay sa akin. Pero konti lang po ang mga naibibigay niya. Okay? Not everybody gets. Oh my goodness. All right. If you ran out with that something really special, this one has a diamond on it. Diamond, okay? Diamond at the sides. Ayan po siya. Okay? That one, I'll give you a code. I only have 3. This is also $8. Okay? I only have 3. If you want this, mine 26. Mine 26 for this baby. It has Roman numeral in the middle and diamond at both sides. Okay? Just take a look how gorgeous this one is. Mine 26 for $8. I only need 3 minors. Sorry po ha, I only have few. I only need 3 minors. Okay? Next. If no one wants, mabilis po ako magtanggal ng item, okay? Alright, next item tayo. Ang ganda nito. Naku, bakit walang nagmamine sa inyo? Alright, the next big thing. Grabe, ito marami akong kinuha nito. Because she said, this is actually one of their sought after barrel because they call them mini barrels, mini circles. Okay, hold on po ha. Sandali lang po. Iisa-isahin ko para hindi ako magkaroon ng problema. Wala na po talagang kukuha nun ha. Okay, so I'll be bringing you the next one. Hindi ko to pinakita kahapon, so kayo lang ang unang makakakita nito mga ladies. Okay. This one I was able to get at nanligaw ako because she said, this is actually, ang daming bumibili sa amin ito. Sabi niya, you can definitely use 1, 2, or 3 or lahat. Okay? Payroll processing. Oy, bumalik ka na sa payroll processing, baka magalit sila sa'yo at baka yung kumpanya, baka mabigyan mo ng double overtime yung mga tao. Cute mo talaga. Okay, so this one, ladies, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ito. Okay? Ladies, ito yung one of their best-selling designs. Okay? One of their best-selling design. Okay? Yeah. Alam mo yan kami lahat. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, Sis Evelyn, dahil galing, hindi ko alam kung anong department ka, but when I was 21, that's the time that I actually began working with PLDT. Sa kaagad ako, payroll kaagad ako na-assign. So for so many years, I've been processing pay, for only 2 years. And then I actually I went to budget, and then went to office of the president, and then resigned. Okay? I'm not so sure si Evelyn kung anong department siya nag-umpisa sa PLDT. Ngayon, nung nagtrabaho na ako dito sa US, isa rin yan sa mga trabaho ko. Okay, balik na tayo sa ating pagtitinda. Alright? Pagtitinda. Okay, this one, is, if anyone wants that baby, ladies, okay, kunin nyo na, $8. Mine 30. Oh, financial, Fin1 ka. Ako naman cost accounting payroll. Okay, so this one is mine 31 for only $8. Mga kapatid, nakita nyo mga artista na nag-swear nito. Ang ganda nito. Tingnan nyo, pag sa malayo, kitang-kita nyo ang ganda niya. Alright? So, si Tita Angie, hindi ako binibisita. Si Tita Angie ang kasamahan ko. Saan ko ba nakasama si Tita Angie? Provincial payroll din. Oo. Tita Angie. Siguro nakalimutan na ako, Tita Angie. Kasi sandali lang ako sa cost accounting. I think I only spent 2 years in a cost accounting and I got promotion sa sa budget. Kaya hindi na tayo nagkikita. Alright? But you know, we are in the same building. Ladies, okay, mine 31 for this. Okay, hindi na ako magtatagal for that. I'm going to get to go to the next item. Okay? Hold on. It's okay lang. Pakikumusta na lang ako, ha? Pakikumusta mo na lang ako kay Tita Angie. I missed her. Pakikumusta mo ako, my dear, ha? Ay. Teka, sandali po. Mali pala yung ibinigay ko. Na iba palang item ito. Okay? So, next item tayo. Okay, tatago ko na po ito mga dears, ha? Kung wala pong kukuha nitong mine 31. Kung walang kukuha ng mine 31, tago ko na, okay? Alright, next po. I only have 2 of those. This one is another gorgeous. Okay? Time check, 3:08. I will be out by 4 o'clock. Okay? So, I still have almost 1 hour. Mabilis tayo, no? Okay. So, yung isa makikita mo nyo, may sparkle. O, ito, Donna, baka ayaw mo nang walang sparkle. The other one has a sparkle. Yung mahilig mag-sparkle. This one has no sparkles. Okay? Alright. Okay, there you go. This one is selling also for $8. Okay? $8. If you want that one. Okay, I'll give you the code. I got only a few items for this one, but definitely I'm really happy getting one. Okay, so if anyone wants this, mine 32 for this, $8. Waterproof, 18K plated, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, hold on. Okay, there you go. Super gorgeous. All right, 32. Okay, next. I only have three pieces of this. Okay? Ladies, ha? Okay, sa inyo ko unang pinakita to. Alright? Minsan po mayroong umaano sa atin, bumibili po ng marami, kaya minsan nauubos na po siya. Hindi ko na napapakita yung iba. Alright? Next item. Medyo mabilis. Sabi nila, ang bilis mo. Sorry lang po kung mabilis ako. I hope you don't mind. Okay, next. Now, if I have a gold, surely I have a silver. Okay? So, ito lang po ang may silver na ganito. Okay? This one. Ayan po. Meron din pa akong silver na may with diamonds. Okay? The silver with diamonds. Okay? This one. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Okay? The silver with diamond. This is the code for the silver with diamonds. Ladies, if you want that, mine 33 for the silver. Maganda ito. Pang party or mga, tinan mo, makinang po siya. Ang ganda po nito. Mine 33 for $8. Okay? Next. Alright, I'm gonna remove this one. Bilis tayo, no? Another one. Another one. That one is, the Mine 33 has actually diamonds, di ba? Ito naman ang plain lang. Pero same style. O, mine na daw si Sis Evelyn. Mine 33. It's